How to change the oil and the oil filter on your car. First, put a tray under the sump plug under the engine to collect any waste oil. The sump plug is a bolt at the bottom of the engine that can take many forms. Put on some latex gloves to protect your hands. Get a ratchet with an appropriate size socket or key and undo the sump plug. Then allow the oil to drain out. This is what a typical sump plug looks like. After the oil has drained out the sump, you'll need to put the sump plug back in. The sump plug needs to be tightened by a specific torque setting. However, some people just tighten this by feel. Now we need to remove the oil filter. There are a few different types. There's the spin-off or metal type, which you may need a chain tool to remove. The other type is a cartridge type, where you need a large socket to remove the housing. Remember to keep a tray below this to catch any waste oil. Now, before you put the new oil filter on, if you have a spin-on filter, put a bit of waste oil around the seal. With the cartridge-based filter, pull out the old filter and push in the new one. It is also advisable to replace a rubber seal around the housing if appropriate. Now you are ready to put the new oil filter on. With the spin-on filter, tighten by hand. With the cartridge-based filter, use the correct torque setting, or some people tighten this by feel. Finally, you can fill the engine back up with oil. Please use a dipstick to check that you get the correct level.